What is going on today, YouTube? We got a nice video planned for you. As you can hear, the audio does sound a little bit cleaner amidst all the background noise that we got going on here. Currently holding my phone out because as I did get this new lapel mic, it's a little finicky. If anybody has any good recommendations on apps that automatically adjust volume based upon background noise or how loud or how low I'm speaking, you can still hear as I do talk softly. You can still hear me clearly. However, I am a very loud person in general, so that doesn't quite work. For the time being, I can learn to have a softer voice because editing, unfortunately, is atrocious with the mic constantly clipping and everything getting all fuzzy. So currently for this video, we won't have the lapel mic, but every video hereafter, we're going to have a lot clearer audio and you'll be able to understand everything I say. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now that we got the shoes changed, got some fresh kicks on here, got a little bit of water in there. Oh, you're kidding me. Alright, well, I guess we're going to have that taken and looking at, because we can't have water dripping back here. That's a no-go. Alright, with that out of the way, and this is by no means really clean, but there's some mud on it. I got to still detail that and the sill. So this is by no means, in my definition, fully clean. It still needs work, but it's too cold for that right now. In the coming months, coming weeks, really. It's New Jersey. It doesn't get that cold here. Why does my seat still feel like it's ever so far back? All right, let's get going to SafeLite. We are going. Oh, I'm dropping it down in between the seat. All right. Let's go inside here. Need these feet in. situated. Bring my seat up because I'm short AF. You know how that is. Alright, so right here, they kind of moved the camera, they were backing out. That's where damage, that's not a whole lot of damage, but I'm sure as you heard in the video, it's only at 70% clarity. It'll cure up over time with the regular UV light, UV rays. So, in the meantime, my GoPro is dead, so we're gonna drive on over to the dealership so I can pick up my tags and plates. Let's get that done now.